Use night vision rifle scopes. In a world where armed struggle is a daily occurrence, military gadgets have continuously evolved to cope with the ever-changing demands of military offense and defense strategies. Gone are the days when military units are paralyzed by the blinding darkness of the night, as night vision goggles have now allowed military men to see beyond what the naked eyes could handle. Military units can now implement their attacks and defensive strategies even at night. Night vision goggles can provide a wide array of benefits to military units, provided that they are used properly. This article talks about how to use night vision gadgets, more particularly, how to use night vision riffle scopes. Pick the right night vision rifle scope. There are many night vision scopes available out there. It is just a matter of choosing the correct one, considering the particular purpose or purposes for which they are to be purchased. Night vision scopes may differ on the technology used. Some use infrared technology, while some use thermal imaging system, and some combine both technologies. Today, night vision scopes differ in their magnification. Those that allow a person to see at night even in far distances in all probabilities are expensive. But this does not mean that they are better. In fact, such scopes can even work to your disadvantage, especially in short-range battles. Since they are made for long-distance viewing, they have intense magnification lenses that make close shots a bit blurry. And lastly, those with interchangeable lenses may come in handy when your purpose is to use the rifle scopes not only at night but during the day as well. Attach the night vision scopes on the rifles securely. You do not want the night vision scopes to get lost, and in turn, they cannot be used when you need them the most. Look through the scope at night in the same manner as you would during daytime, but expect a different view. Using night vision rifle scopes is virtually the same as using any other rifle scopes. You just have to look through the scope and point it to whatever direction and spot you want to see. Nevertheless, expect a different view, as most night vision rifle scopes use infrared lens, a type of lens that makes images glow by amplifying the thermal energy of animals and humans. Despite the different view that you're going to see, aim it in the same manner as you would with normal rifle scopes. You can even use laser devices that can point directly at the exact location where the bullet of the rifle is going to hit. Do not use the night vision scope during daytime. The reason why such scopes are called night vision scopes is pretty obvious, that is, because it is intended to be used at night only. Nonetheless, it is still important to note that the scopes should not be used in broad daylight, as it can cause blindness. The thermal or infrared lens used in such scopes make very bright images, which can hurt a human eye.